Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we talked about the initialization of this barcode detector class. Also we talked about the models we need to download. Also we little mentioned there is already a video in my YouTube channel which is directly focusing to this topic. So we talk about that one, also the code how you can download. In this video we are gonna focus to the functions inside this class, which is decode with type and detect and decode with type. Actually there is only one difference between these two functions. The usage are same, we can say they are taking the same parameters and giving the same output, but only difference which is also affecting the output in somehow. The decode with type, it says decodes barcode in image once it's found by the detect method. So as soon as until it detects the barcode, it doesn't try to decode the barcode. This is important. In the QR code detection video also we mentioned this one, the similar issue that is in there. So if it is not yet detected by the detecting algorithm, it doesn't try to decode. But in here both detect and decode, you can say how this is happening. Maybe there is already an example image in my example side we can see, and we can understand this function more easily how it looks like. Okay, this was the example from the previous video. I can remember this. Okay, here I'm gonna use this function, and there are actually 4 parameters we need to give. The first one is our image, doesn't matter gray or 3-channel image. The second is gonna be the decoded info, which is gonna include the values inside the barcode, which is message. Decoded type is gonna be the decoded type, OpenCV supporting 4 types as we mentioned before, which is UIN and EAN or UPS, something like that. And corners is gonna be the including the detected points of the barcode inside the image. Okay, this is the function. Actually also it returns boolean value according to successful or not, but we don't need to use for this one. We are just using if the corners are not empty, we have detected barcodes in our image. Okay, to understand more clearly these outputs, maybe simply we can show these points, then we can talk after the output. Just I want to see how it looks like at the end, corners, and just I want to see in the console and P. Okay, just run the code, and here our output. This is the console output. Let's try to see again. Oops, here. Okay, for example 102 248, I think 102 200. Okay, where is that? 102 248, I think this one. Yes, it starts from here, the other points going according. So this is only for one barcode. What if there is more than one barcode? In below also we see the type and the information inside. If 2 type, I think the first one is this one. Okay, so it giving respectively, for example, if this first one is belonging to this barcode and the first following decoded type and the decoded message is gonna be belonging to the first one. So there is relation respectively. Just keep in mind, because it doesn't say directly this is this, so it's giving in an order, so respectively you can extract the data accordingly. Okay, and I want to talk also here, basically I'm just checking all corners by each 4 elements, and here I'm checking if the coded info is empty. You can say how the way the coded info can be empty. That's why we are mentioning here. In some cases it can detect, maybe it cannot decode. In some cases it can decode, maybe it cannot detect. How it's possible? I already have an image which is showing that one, B2. Let's try to run. Here you see this is detected, and I just it's entered to this scope and it draws the line, but at the same time decoded gives me the information. But in behind there is a barcode the OpenCV detected, but it cannot decode it because blur, and it's not a really good image to analyze the barcode, but it says this is a barcode. So that's why that's the difference between this detect and decode with type and the other function. So if we use the other function, it after detection it will try to analyze the image. So there are some images, because this is good example to understand. In some cases it can detect but cannot decode, so this is important. In this video simply I just wanted to show the usage of this function. The other one I don't want to show because the usage are very similar. It's taking the same parameters and giving the same output. So in this video simply I just wanted to talk and some corner cases of this class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.